Hello, everyone. I'm Mitchell. Welcome back to my story today. We are going to do something exciting. We will plan a trip together. Traveling is a wonderful way to relax, have fun, and learn about new places. In this video, I will show you how to plan a trip step by step. We will talk about choosing a destination, making a schedule, packing your bags, and getting ready to go. Don't worry, I will use simple words and phrases to make it easy for you to follow. Are you ready? Let's start planning our trip. The first step is to choose where you want to go. Ask yourself these questions. Do I want to go to the beach, the mountains, or the city? How far do I want to travel? What activities do I want to do? For example, if you love swimming and sunbathing, you can choose a beach. If you enjoy hiking and nature, the mountains are a good choice. If you like shopping, museums, and restaurants, you can visit a city. Let's say we want to go to the beach. A great destination could be Da Nang in Vietnam, Bali in Indonesia, or Phuket in Thailand. These places have beautiful beaches, warm weather, and many fun activities. Once you pick a destination, it's time to think about the best time to visit. For example, I want to visit the beach in the summer because the weather is warm. I will go to the mountains in the spring when it is cool and sunny. Now that we have a destination, let's plan what to do each day. A schedule helps you enjoy your trip and use your time well. 1. Plan the first day. The first day is for traveling and checking in. On the first day, I will take a flight to Da Nang and check into my hotel. After that, I will rest and explore the area near the hotel. 2. Plan fun activities. Think about fun things to do. For example, at the beach, you can swim in the ocean. Try water sports like snorkeling or kayaking. Relax on the sand and read a book. Watch the sunset in the evening. Here's an example schedule. Day 2. Go to the beach in the morning, eat seafood for lunch, and visit a local market in the afternoon. Day 3. Take a boat tour to explore nearby islands and enjoy snorkeling. 3. Leave some free time. It's important to leave time to relax. You don't need to plan every minute. I will have free time in the evening to walk around or just rest. Packing is an important part of any trip. What you bring depends on where you are going. What to pack for the beach. Clothes. Bring light clothes like t-shirts, shorts, and a swimsuit. Shoes. Pack flip-flops for the beach and comfortable shoes for walking. Essentials. Don't forget sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat to protect yourself from the sun. What to pack for the mountains. Clothes. Bring warm clothes like jackets and sweaters. Shoes. Pack hiking boots or sneakers. Essentials. Don't forget a water bottle, snacks, and a map. Keep it simple. You don't need to pack too much. Just bring what you really need. For example, I will pack 2 swimsuits, 3 t-shirts, and 1 pair of shorts for my beach trip. I will also bring my camera to take photos of the beautiful view. Before you leave, make sure everything is ready. Here's a checklist. Book your tickets. I will book my flight to Da Nang online. I also need to book a hotel near the beach. Check the weather. I will check the weather forecast to see if it will be sunny or rainy. Prepare important documents. I will bring my passport, ID card, and tickets. I will also prepare some money for food and shopping. Planning a trip is fun and easy. First, choose a destination that makes you excited. Then, plan your schedule, pack your bags, and get ready to go. Traveling is a great way to relax, have fun, and learn about the world. Now it's your turn. Where do you want to go on your next trip? Tell me in the comments. Traveling is not just about fun, it's also about learning and growing. When you travel, you can learn about new cultures, try different foods, meet local people, and see how they live. Relax and feel happy. A trip helps you take a break from work or school. Make memories. You will always remember the fun times you had. For example, I will never forget my trip to the mountains. The air was fresh, and the view was amazing. Traveling to the beach makes me feel calm and happy.